Hi, my name is Ms. Carmen and I'm the STEM Ambassador for Morgan County Extension Services. And today we're going to talk about Mars. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. And it is red because there is iron in it. Mars has huge volcanoes which have formed mountains and large craters that were formed by meteors and other objects hitting it. A day on Mars is 24 hours and 37 minutes. A day on Earth is 24 hours. The temperature on Mars can be anywhere between 125 degrees below zero and 25 degrees above zero. Huge dust storms on Mars carve the land. Mars has two moons named Phobos and Deimos. Mars was named for a Roman god of war because of its red color. There is no life on Mars as far as we know, but research is finding that there may be some microscopic signs that life existed. Mars is smaller than Earth. Mars is not suited for man to live on because of the temperature differences and the air. You can jump 3 times higher on Mars because of the gravity or lack thereof. Currently, it takes 6 to 8 months for a spacecraft from Earth to reach Mars. Recently, the United States sent up a spacecraft to Mars which had a rover on it, and the rover is called Perseverance, or Percy for short. Percy has many different cameras on it. There's a super cam, a media cam, a camera that investigates, a camera with many pixels, a camera that will give us a opportunity to see a panoramic view of Mars, and there are 3D cameras. Percy also has many other instruments that will send information back to NASA so that we can learn more about what Mars has and what it doesn't have. Mars is quite an interesting place. Now we're going to do some fun experiments. Our first one is for the younger kids, say around kindergarten to 1st grade. First things that you need is a coffee filter, a red and orange marker, and a spray bottle. What you're going to do is you're going to take your red marker and just make lines going across, do lots of lines, and then you're going to take your orange marker and do the same thing. And when you decide that you're finished, what you need to do is take a spray bottle with just plain water, and you're going to spray the coffee filter with the marker on it. And you're going to leave it for a while and let it dry. Here's one that I did earlier, and it looks like the planet of Mars. You could take it when you're finished and hang it up in a window, and the sun will shine through it. Have fun. Now we're going to do an experiment for 3rd and 4th grade. If you remember what I said earlier, that there was a 3D camera that they sent to Mars on Percy. Today, the 3rd and 4th graders will make a 3D camera. So you will need a sheet like this, which you will receive in your kit. And the first step you need to do is take this sheet and cut out on the dotted line. These holes will already have been cut for you. Then you need to take the glasses and cut out on the solid lines. These 4 squares will already be done for you. Once you have them cut, this is what you're going to get. The next step, you'll be receiving a red and a blue piece of plastic. When they're in your bag or when you receive them, they may be together and look like they're purple. Please take them and separate them. What you will need to do next is to tape them inside the glasses, one on one side and one on the other. And if you take the tape and tape it across here, it won't interfere as much when you look through the plastic. Once you have that done, you will fold it and tape them together. The next step is for you to take the ear pieces and lay your glasses flat on the table and tape them so that you will have two sides like this. Once they are finished, this is what you will get. Then you will take this paper, and on the back side, you will take your glasses and tape them and lining up the square holes. And when you're finished, you will get this. You can color it in if you want. That is up to you. Then you will get a picture of Saturn in 3D. Now this is not just regular 3D, this is red-blue 3D. Once you look at this through your glasses, you can go onto the internet and search red-blue 3D, and you can find some other pictures that you can look at through your 3D glasses. Our next experiment is for 4th and 5th grade. You will get a cup, a paper clip, and a marble. You will need to find a piece of string. You will also receive a paper that has a target on it. For the sake of being able to see and a little bit more fun, I have a map of Mars here. What you need to do first is take your paper clip, make a hole in the cup, and then put your paper clip through the hole. So you have this. Then you're going to take your marble and put it in the cup. The next step is to try to decide where on your target you would like your marble to land. Then you will take your paper clip, clip it onto the string that you're going to set up with one end that is higher than the other. You will take the string and slowly lift until your cup slides down. Without touching it, you're going to try to set your marble onto the map or the target that you have. As you see, it will take some practice. You take it up and try it again. Okay, it does take several attempts. One thing I do suggest is not to use yarn. I used it for the sake that you could see it. I also have here a piece of embroidery floss thread that is a little smoother and might work better. Again, you will need to practice. Good luck and have fun. This is for the 6th graders. Today you're going to be making a Mars rover. You will receive one 6x6 piece of cardboard and two 5x5 pieces of cardboard. You will receive a straw, 2 pieces of peppermint lifesavers. Please do not eat them or your rover will not work. 2 rubber bands and a pencil. You will need some tape. Step 1 is to take your 2 5x5 pieces and poke a hole through the center. Then you will take your 6x6 piece of cardboard, fold it in thirds, and then poke a hole in each corner. Your next step is to take your pencil and put it through the holes and put the 5x5 piece on one on each side, like this. You will set that down for now. Then you will take your 2 rubber bands and you will link them so they look like this. Once you get that done, you will go to the pencil that is on the cardboard and loop them onto your pencil so it looks like this. On the other end of your cardboard, make 2 slits. This is where this part of the rubber band will fit in. You may need to tape the wheels of your rover so they do not fall off your pencil. The next step is to take your straw, flatten one end, and put a piece of tape on. Slide your two wheels onto the straw. Flatten the other end and tape it. Then you are going to take your rover, turn it upside down, and tape your wheels and axle on the bottom. Once that is done, you will take your rover and you will twist the pencil until it is nice and tight with the rubber band. And then when it is completed, you can let go and hopefully your rover will move forward all by itself. You may have to do some construction and engineering to help it make it work. Good luck and have fun. Thanks for joining me today. Have fun. You can try all the experiments we did today. See you next time.